Okay.
Ah, dude, my bone hurts. Yeah, get you. Damn. Dude, do it like how I did it, though.
Oh, shit.
Dude, you're gonna fucking fall. Do it.
No, it's gonna...
Dude, just make sure you grab your balls right before, right after you fall off.
God damn. Oh, shit.
Grab your balls, dude. Oh,
Got it. Oh,
oh shit. Oh shit. You alright?
My pinky finger broke.
That's what I'm saying. To the
Oh. Damn, can you help me? Oh, my pinky finger.
That's what I'm saying, man. It fucking hurts.